my friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you our school supplies haul. It is one of my favorite things about homeschooling. I get to order all the fun supplies and books and all the things. Now I will have a separate video with all the books we're using for my second grader this year and my 4-year-old, but this is just our school supplies. So like pens, pencils, our favorite types of pens and pencils, and what we ordered for our handicrafts and notebooking and all of that fun stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what we got for the year, stick around. Okay, so we're going to begin with just those basic school supplies. I actually ordered just a lot of glue sticks. We're doing paper modeling this year, and so I did need special fine tip scissors for paper modeling and paper sloyd. And so I also ordered some origami paper to do that. These are, I believe, 6x6 sheets. Yep, 6x6. So this will be helpful tools to have for our paper sloyd time or paper modeling. Both my kids can do this, the 7 and the 4-year-old, so that'll be helpful. And then I have our favorite pens. Okay, so a thing about these pens. These are, let's see if I can tell you the name. The Ball Friction Pilot Clicker. And my friends, I get so many questions on my pens. These are erasable. So when my daughter is doing her notebooking, she can write in the notebook or draw. It's great for sketching narrations. And then if she needs to erase, she can. They have a little eraser at the top. I'm gonna be a beauty blogger for a minute and go like this. So you can see, and then this is what the just clicks out. But I always stock up on these pens because my 4-year-old uses them as well. And so I love to have these around. We also have regular classic number 2 pencils, and we keep those in a jar downstairs in our art cart. And then these are the pencils we use I use them for my logbook, and then my daughter also uses them for her copywork time. They're just a mechanical pencil, and I can't remember who makes them, Pentel, I believe. But I'm going to link everything that you see in this video in the description or at the blog post that I have that corresponds to the video. So yeah, these are the pencils we love to use. They're mechanical pencils, but they're wonderful. I only ordered 4 last year, and the 4 of them lasted us the whole year. So it wasn't very expensive. And then we have these pens. I actually got these at Costco, but these are my absolute favorite. I actually have my notebook here with all my notes on my videos and stuff, and I have the same exact pen sitting here. I use these like crazy. I use them for journaling. I use them for my logbook. I use them to make my grocery lists and my meal plans. Like, I love these pens. They are wonderful. They're the 207 gel pen by Uniball. And this one was from Costco, like I said, really good find. So check that out if you're watching this and it's like a recent, I have a separate books video coming out, but I did order these little golden guides because we're studying both pond and trees this year. These are super wonderful. We already have the rocks and gems one and the ocean animals one as well. So this is really fun. Oh, we ordered 2 boxes of the Prismacolors. So this is a big set. It has 48 of the Prismacolors. They're expensive, but my daughter has had this specific set for 2.5 years. And so she's ready for a new one. So they're not here yet, but I actually ordered 2 of these, one for my youngest and one for my oldest. And they are so excited about their new Prismacolor set. We use these daily in our drawn narrations if we're not brush drawing. So the next thing is this logbook. This is my mother's logbook. I have a lot of different notebooks, and I have a video that I'm going to link to in the description with all my different notebooks that I use. But I love this one. This is by Moleskin. I think that's how you say it. I really hope I'm saying it right. It's probably some like fancy Italian pronunciation and I'm totally butchering it, but it's fine. We're gonna say Moleskin. I don't know. So this is the classic collection, and it is dotted inside. So I use this for my logbook. I use it all year long. I fill up the whole thing, and I order 1 per year. So there's one more random thing. I ordered a lot of stuff last year we're reusing. So this isn't like a comprehensive everything I need for for the year. I actually have a lot of stuff we're reusing, but I am getting things that we ran out of or things that we need to replenish in our supply. And one of my daughter's compasses broke, so we are going to use this for scouting and map work and all of that fun stuff in geography this year. So I had to order another one. Let's see. And then now we're going to move on to brush drawing supplies. These are the Pentel Aqua brushes. I hope I'm saying that right. And they are wonderful. We've used these all year long last year for our nature study and brush drawing lessons and everything. So I loved these. This is the 3-pack. It has the larger tip, the medium, the fine tip, the medium, and the bold tip. And you can put water inside them, so they're very handy. I also had to order new nature journals for my daughters. These are the ones we had last year, and they are so excited about having a new nature journal. So I have 2 of those, and then mine I haven't filled up yet, so I'm just gonna keep using mine until it's full. We use the Winsor and Newton palettes, and I actually don't have any here. I did link to them in my nature study supplies video, and I'm going to link to that for you. But I have all those supplies that go into my nature study journal notebooking packs that I made last year. We still have most of the supplies, but I'll just replenish a few things in it. And I also just got this gray paint because we're going to be doing some brush drawing lessons and a bird watercolor course this year. And so we needed the gray, and our palettes don't have gray. My daughter usually has to make it, which I love. She knows how to mix colors to make gray and black because they don't come with gray or black. But we got the gray this year for our watercolor bird course. The next thing is watercolor postcards, and you have your child do a painting on the front and then send it on the back to a family member or a friend or whatever you want to do. It's really cute, and they're really just a nice size for hanging up and for sending to family, like I said, or just for keepsakes. They're not like a big giant 8x11 picture. You can store them easier, and they're really nice quality paper too. So yeah, we have some watercolor postcards, and then we have more watercolor paper, and this is also Strathmore. And yeah, this will be for our brush drawing lessons. And there's only 12 sheets, but we'll just use probably half a sheet for each lesson, front and back. And I have a little bit extra too. I only have myself and my older student use this. I have my Kinderleben student use a cheaper watercolor paper. Next, we have some of the supplies for our handicrafts. I don't have everything here. Like, I ordered yarn, it's not here yet. I ordered some embroidery fabric, and it's not here yet, but I have a few things that did show up, and this is one of them. So we've got these hoops for our handicrafts this term, or this year rather. We are doing needlework. It's a new handicraft for us. We're very excited, and so we needed some hoops, and then I got a needlework kit as well. So I will link to that, even though I can't show it to you. And then I have this knitting tower that I got. I'm really excited about knitting this year. My kids are so excited. I got the tower and I got the forks because I don't know which they'll like. And then I also have some yarn on the way, but it's not here yet. So yeah, we'll see. But we're gonna be trying some knitting, and apparently this is easier than finger knitting because with finger knitting you have to tie off, and with this stuff you don't. So we will see. So that's our handicraft supplies. And lastly, we have the Riverbend Press order stuff. And so I'm just gonna quickly show you what I got from there. I'm a Charlotte Mason Educational Center member, the CMEC, and so we get a little discount when we order from Riverbend Press. But even if I didn't get the discount, I would honestly still order from them. They're wonderful. This notebook is one that I ordered last year. I ordered one for myself actually, and it's not here yet, but this is one notebook that I love. This is the Truth, Beauty, Goodness notebook, and my daughter, who is 7, she records her composer study, artist study, and any copy work or recitation that she worked on. She'll record it in here, and it's kind of like a keepsake. So it's a wonderful, beautifully made journal. And then I ordered some blank notebooks for her. We use these for our narrations. We'll have a narration notebook. We'll have a Bible notebook. We'll have a geography notebook. And then a natural history notebook. So we will use these. I ordered 4. I'm hoping that's enough. I might have to order a couple more. But yeah, so we got lots of these. They're blank inside. So from Riverbend, I also ordered our artist prints. Inside it comes with some of them, I think all of them. I could be wrong, but I believe all of them come with PR articles, parents review for you non-Charlotte Mason friends. And then it has the prints. I ordered the big versions, but yeah, it has the prints in there. And so there's 6 per term that we study. We study 3 artists a year. So that is that. And they're really nice, sturdy paper, which I like. These are kind of a treat to myself, but this is the last thing I ordered from Riverbend. There's a mother's diary, and look at how beautiful it is. So it's just blank. But yeah, mother's diary. I'm a journal freak, journal keeper. So this is a nature calendar, and it just has different poems you can read throughout the year, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, these are just so gorgeous. It's hard not to want everything. And this is the Scale How Book of Meditations, and my video is already too long, so I'm not going to share about it, but if you're interested in that, just Google Scale How Charlotte Mason. So yeah, these are for me, for mother. And then my last thing is the songbooks, and I don't think I have one up here, but we have a Truth, Beauty, Goodness songbook that Riverbend puts out, and I order those each year, but they're just not in stock yet. So Riverbend, hurry up and get those going so I can order them. We need them for our enrichment subjects this year, so I'm hoping they'll be in stock soon. Anyway, this was a quick little rundown of the supplies I got this year. There's a few things that haven't shown up yet. Like I said, I'll try to link to everything in a blog post for you so you can shop it easily. But I only share things with you guys that I truly have tried and use and can actually attest to it being helpful. We use these things daily here. So all that to say, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you in the next video.